scene script. Have you ever wondered about the truth behind the keto diet? Well, today, we're going to unveil the mystery surrounding this popular diet and help you understand why it has become a buzzword in the world of nutrition. Let's start at the beginning. What exactly is the ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet, often referred to as keto, is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet. It's been around since the 1920s, but it's gained significant popularity in recent years. Originally, it was used as a treatment for epilepsy in children, but now it's primarily known for its potential weight loss benefits. The term keto comes from the word ketogenic, which refers to the metabolic state of ketosis. When you follow a ketogenic diet, your body runs mostly on fats instead of carbohydrates. This is because the diet drastically reduces your carbohydrate intake and replaces it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body into ketosis, a metabolic state where fat, instead of glucose, becomes the primary source of energy. The principles of the keto diet are fairly straightforward. It typically includes 70 to 75% fat, 20 to 25% protein, and only 5 to 10% carbohydrates. That means your meals will primarily consist of foods like meats, eggs, cheeses, fish, nuts, butter, oils, seeds, and fibrous vegetables. It might sound counterintuitive to eat so much fat to lose weight, but that's the beauty of the ketogenic diet. The keto diet's popularity isn't just a result of effective marketing. Many people have reported significant weight loss, improved energy levels, and better mental clarity. But like any diet, it's not without its controversies and potential risks. It's essential to understand both the pros and cons before jumping headfirst into the world of keto. Now, having understood what a keto diet is, let's delve into its benefits and risks. Stay tuned as we unravel the truth about keto diet, pros and cons of low-carb eating. To start with, let's explore the numerous benefits the keto diet offers. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that is known for its weight loss benefits. It works by shifting the body's primary fuel source from carbohydrates to fats. This process, known as ketosis, prompts the body to burn fat for energy, contributing to weight loss. Imagine being able to shed those stubborn pounds while still enjoying a hearty meal of bacon and eggs. That's the power of keto. Yet the benefits of the keto diet extend beyond just weight loss. It could also be a friend to your heart. Studies have shown that the keto diet can improve heart health by reducing levels of harmful LDL cholesterol, the type that clogs up your arteries, and increasing levels of beneficial HDL cholesterol, the kind that sweeps your arteries clean. Picture it this way. It's like having an internal housekeeping service for your blood vessels. For those grappling with diabetes, the keto diet could be a game changer. By cutting out sugars and starches, the diet helps to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. To bring this to life, let's consider John, a middle-aged man who was struggling with type 2 diabetes. After adopting the keto diet, not only did he lose a significant amount of weight, but his blood sugar levels also returned to normal ranges. John's story is a testament to the potential power of the keto diet. However, let's not forget that the keto diet is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Each person's body responds differently to diets, and what works wonders for one person may not hold the same benefits for another. It's essential to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before embarking on any new diet regime. While these benefits sound impressive, the keto diet also has its downsides. But don't fret. In the next segment, we'll dive into the cons of the keto diet to give you a comprehensive view of this popular diet trend. Stay tuned. Now let's shed light on the less glamorous side of the keto diet. While this diet plan is indeed a powerhouse for weight loss and can help manage certain health conditions, it's not devoid of potential risks and side effects. First, let's talk about the infamous keto flu. As your body shifts from burning glucose to burning fat for energy, you may experience flu-like symptoms. This includes headaches, fatigue, and irritability, which can last for a few days to a few weeks. Next, nutrient deficiencies are a real concern on the keto diet. Since it restricts various food groups, especially fruits and whole grains, you might not get enough vitamins and minerals. This could lead to deficiencies in crucial nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and vitamins A, C, and K, among others. Then we have to consider the potential for Liver problems. The keto diet demands a lot from your liver as it has to metabolize a large amount of fat. This could put you at risk for non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, especially if you already have liver issues. Finally, let's not forget about mood swings. Your brain typically runs on glucose. When you drastically cut carbs, your brain has to adjust to using ketones for fuel. This change can cause mood swings and make it hard to concentrate. Some people refer to this as keto brain fog. In addition, some people may experience other side effects like constipation, bad breath, and an increased risk of heart disease due to the high intake of saturated fats. And if you're an athlete or lead a very active lifestyle, you might find that the keto diet doesn't provide enough carbohydrates to fuel your workouts. So it's clear that while the keto diet can offer significant benefits, it also comes with its share of challenges. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and it's definitely not a magical cure-all. As you see, the keto diet is not all sunshine and rainbows, so should you try it? That's a question only you can answer, and it's one that deserves careful consideration. The question remains, is the keto diet right for you? It's a question that doesn't have a one-size-fits-all answer. Our dietary needs, like our fingerprints, are unique to us. They are influenced by a plethora of factors, including our age, gender, activity level, and overall health status. This is why, when contemplating a significant dietary shift like the keto diet, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. They can guide you through the process, ensuring that your nutritional needs are being met and that you aren't putting your health at risk. There's no denying the allure of the keto diet, with its promise of rapid weight loss and other potential health benefits. But it's also important to remember that what works for one person may not work for another. The ketogenic diet is not exempt from this rule. It's a strict regimen that requires a significant commitment, and it may not be suitable for everyone. Moreover, no diet, not even the celebrated keto diet, is a magic bullet. It should be viewed as one piece of the health puzzle, not the solution in its entirety. A balanced diet, one that includes a variety of foods rich in nutrients, coupled with regular physical activity, is the cornerstone of good health. It's about creating habits that can be sustained in the long run, rather than seeking quick fixes. Also, keep in mind that the body's response to a diet is complex and multifaceted. It's not just about the number on the scale, but also about how you feel physically and mentally. Any diet that leaves you feeling deprived or unwell is not worth pursuing, no matter how impressive the promised results may be. So, as you consider the ketogenic diet, weigh the pros and cons, understand the potential benefits and risks, and make an informed decision that aligns with your personal health goals and lifestyle. And remember, your healthcare provider is your best resource for personalized advice. Remember, the key to a healthy life is not a trendy diet, but a balanced lifestyle. Today, we dissected the truth about the keto diet, its pros and cons, benefits and risks. What a journey it's been. We've delved deep into the world of ketogenic eating, unmasking the mystery behind the trend that has taken the health and fitness world by storm. We started by unraveling the enigma of the ketogenic diet, a low-carb, high-fat diet that's been praised for its potential health benefits. We discovered that going keto could lead to weight loss, increased energy levels, and even improved heart health. But, as with all things, it's not just about the benefits. We also took a hard look at the other side of the coin, the potential risks and side effects of the ketogenic diet. The keto flu, nutrient deficiencies, and the potential for increased heart disease risk all surfaced as potential cons. We've seen that it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and it's crucial to consider your individual health situation before diving in. But what does this all mean for you? It means knowledge is power. Understanding the pros and cons, the benefits and risks, equips you to make an informed decision about whether the ketogenic diet is right for you. It's not about following the trend, but about finding what works best for your body, your health, and your lifestyle. Now it's your turn. What are your thoughts on the ketogenic diet? Have you tried it? What were your experiences? Or maybe you're considering it but still have some questions. We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, or questions in the comments below. Our journey into the world of ketogenic eating may be ending here, but the conversation doesn't have to. Keep the discussion going, and let's continue to learn and grow together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing insights into trending topics. Stay tuned and stay healthy.